Get ready with me to go to a yacht party.
I've been suffering. I suffered for 19 years. It's time for me to shake my ass on a yacht. In Dubai.
I can literally use that sound now. I'm just putting on my Kiehl's cream. The funny thing about that sound is I actually am 19. I'm not keeping my hair like this. I just want kind of a blowout look, but the rest of my hair is straight. So I don't want a full-on blow. I just want the front a little. I'm gonna put on some primer because I want my makeup to last all night. I'm gonna gel my brows and do my eyes off camera. Also, I never really say it, but in the videos where I do my eyes off camera, I always use the NARS Pot Concealer and I put it all over my eye kind of as a base. Eyes are done. I'm color correcting that pimple because it's huge. Versace under eye corrector. I'm going in with my foundation. I'm going to go in with a natural beige and put it underneath my eyes and anywhere else I need to conceal. I'm going to go in with my Makeup by Mario contour stick. I'm going to blend this all. Everything is nice and blended. I'm going to go in with my Dior concealer underneath my eyes. At first I wasn't like the biggest fan of this concealer, but now I'm literally in love with it. Makeup by Mario blush, Pinch Me Pink. On top of every liquid that I use, I like to put a powder. So for the contour, I'm going to do a powdered contour now. And then for my blush, I'm going to do a powdered blush now. I'm using Poppy Pink on top of my blush. I baked with Huda Beauty. Now I'm going to wipe it off and double set with my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to do Makeup by Mario highlighter. And I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip set. I also forgot to mention I'm going to do some white liner and some mascara. I'm going to set with Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to fix up my hair and I'll show you guys the outfit. Okay, here's my dress. I got this from Fashion Nova. I love it. It's so cute. For purse, I'm just taking my Chanel purse because for jewelry, I'm wearing my Chanel earrings. And yeah, this is the final look. Before I left, I just fixed up the fronts of my hair. I feel like it looks way better like this. It's more flipped out. And yeah, this is me just on the way there taking some videos and pictures. This is the front of the yacht. This is me again. I love my outfit. The view is gorgeous at night. I love Toronto, especially at night. It's so pretty. And last but not least, they had a literal sushi boat.